Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So today I'm going to do a mini general energy read. So let's see what messages do we have from our dragons. Messages that we have from our dragons. Okay. What do they have to tell you? Angels and spirit guides, what do they have to tell you? Okay, so that's what we have. We have wisdom, path, and air chalice. So basically, this could be a love situation, a family situation, home situation, career situation. So basically what the dragons here are trying to say is, whatever path you're walking on, make wise choices, be independent. Just whatever path you have chosen to walk on, whatever path you are going to choose, just be wise about it. Think about the consequences, the end results. Just be wise about your choices, wise about the path you are going to take. Make sure the path that you take will lead to independence, happiness, abundance. So let's see what our unicorns have to say. Okay, so again, wisdom card is listen to your inner wisdom. We have intuition. So wisdom card is clarified by intuition. Even unicorns are saying, be wise, listen to your inner call, listen to your intuition. A lot of people just rubbish off their intuition because they sometimes fear that sometimes they don't want it to be true. So if this is a career situation, because with path we have aspiration, it could be a love situation also. So unicorns want to tell you that follow your intuition. You are unlimited, so aim for the stars. Like we have air chalice also, stars are in the sky, let's just say air. So just you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. If you're doubting yourself, don't doubt yourself. Just listen to your inner wisdom. You have enough experience, you can pull through and you can reach this cup. You can reach this cup. You know the path, you have your inner wisdom. Just listen to your inner wisdom, follow that path and reach this cup. You can. You just have to believe in yourself. You're just even the unicorns are saying you're unlimited. Just aim for the stars. You can achieve anything you want. Just don't doubt yourself. What else do our unicorns have to say? Okay, so if you need help, Divine is helping you. Divine has got your back. Archangel Gabriel is here. So call in the pure white light. Just pray. So if you are having some which you are having doubts and fears, and if you're not able to differentiate what your fear is telling you, and if you're not able to differentiate which one is your inner wisdom or which one is your fear speaking, if you can't differentiate between that, just ask your just ask Divine for help. Ask Divine to show you the way. Ask the Divine to show you the path. Let's see what more messages do we have. Let's get more in this situation. What messages do we have? See, like I said, finances blooming, new opportunities, new love, transformation. You guys are going through a big transformation. You will get a lot of new opportunities. You will get love. Your finances will bloom. All you need to do is trust your inner wisdom and follow the path that your wisdom is telling you. And like I said earlier, if you're doubting yourself, if you can't differentiate which path to take, just ask the divine. Just call out for their help. They always help. Just ask your angels, just ask your divine, or whatever higher power you believe in. We have, as you sow, so shall you reap, harvest. So basically, if this is a career situation and you have been working hard, or if it's, let's just say, a toxic cycle or some kind of toxic pattern you're trying to get out of, whatever it is, it will happen. It's time for harvest. You have put in a lot of work in this situation, in yourself, and now you will reap the rewards of that. So you are going to reap the rewards of that. Don't doubt it. Just one more message from this deck. See, you are one in a million, unique. Like I said earlier also, even the unicorn was telling you that you are unlimited. You are unlimited. Aim for the stars. And here we have the same message. You are one in a million, unique. You guys are unique. So just don't doubt yourself. Don't. I can only give guidance. Rest is up to you. Let's get some messages from our Moonology deck. What does the moon have to say? Like I said, it's time for harvest. It's time for harvest. A new start is coming. Show the world real you. Don't be afraid. Don't doubt yourself. Don't fear. You are amazing. You are unique. Show the world real you. A new start is coming, and luck is on your side in every area, even in love. See, this is a Cupid's arrow. So luck is on your side. Whatever you do right now, you will achieve it. Whatever you go for, if you end a toxic cycle or a toxic pattern or a toxic relationship, you will be able to do it. You will achieve it. And if you are looking for love, or if you go for new love, you will get it. Whatever it is, you will achieve it. Except the toxic part. If you are trying to leave a toxic situation, please don't try to fix toxic situations, because they can never be fixed. The reason why they are called toxic. The divine will never let you be in a toxic situation or with a toxic person, because that's not what you deserve. We don't deserve toxicity. We deserve love. We deserve good finances. We deserve health, wealth, everything. So you're amazing. You're unique. You're unique. And your new start is coming. Luck is on your side. Just show the world real you. Don't be afraid. You are amazing. So just show yourself. Show your real side. No need to adjust in the crowd. It's like, okay, everyone is walking in this direction, okay, I will also walk behind them. No. If you want to walk on this path, on the other path, walk on the other path. So let's just take example of Mark Zuckerberg. When he came up with the idea of doing something new, like creating Facebook, everyone around him laughed. And now but he still went ahead with it, did not pay attention to what those people are saying. He still went ahead with it, and see where he is today. I am giving his example to you guys. He is an inspiration. So if you want to take the other path, if you want to take a detour or whatever, just take it. You are unique, and that's what unique people do. They do not move with the herd, or move like with the herd with all the sheep. They take the different path, and that is why they become an inspiration, and just help other people and whatever. That is why they are unique, because they don't move with the crowd. They are different, and they are the ones that bring changes in the world. So let's see. Now I'll put just guys, I want you to, since it's a timeless video, so whenever you come across this video, it's not necessary that every message would resonate with you. So take whatever resonates, okay? So now what I want you guys to do is think of a question in your mind, and I'll answer it through my angel cards. So just think of a question. Just calm down, relax your mind, just relax. So the answers, actually we have answers. We have look for a sign. So like I said, because since it's most like, if look for a sign, how you can look for a sign is like, for example, if you asked a question about career, so you're like, whether should I do this or not, ask the universe for a sign. So if, for example, if you want to start up a new business, okay, so ask the universe, if starting new business is the right thing to do, then show me 3 bluebirds or whatever, 3 oranges or whatever in a day or something. Just ask for signs, or just whatever you feel comfortable with. It's just an example. Or if it's a love situation, that you or if it's a love situation, you want someone, it's like and you are doubting because of your past trauma, but you still want it, and you are just whether I should go for this or not. So just ask the divine. Like I said, Archangel Gabriel is there. Ask the divine, okay, should I go for this relationship? Should I go for this relationship? If I should, then just give me 3 signs. Ask whatever the 3 signs, like show me red tops or whatever you feel with, or show me 333 on the clock thrice, something like that, within 2 days. So just ask for signs, ask for 3 signs, and the universe will give you signs. And for example, if you want to leave a situation, so if leaving is the right thing to do, then ask the divine, if leaving is the right thing to do, then help me leave the situation, and help me move ahead, and help me achieve what I want. And divine will give you steps, divine will provide you help. I need one more message from this deck. The divine is telling me to bring out one more message from the unicorn deck. What do our unicorns have to say? What do our unicorns have to say? What do you want to say, angels and spirit guides? Ouch, my thumb is hurt. So it's not that easy to shuffle. Okay, so what do we have here is wishes. Like I said, wishes. Be careful what you wish for. All your wishes will be granted. So be careful with your wishes. Like I said, a new start is coming. You are in this card again popped out. Another card. So be careful what you wish for, because whatever you wish for will be granted. You are in a very high vibrational energy. And the next card that just fell off is honesty. So the unicorns are telling you honesty will ultimately be rewarded. So like if you are stuck in a work situation or a love connection where you are being bullied, or let's just say being tortured, or someone is rubbishing you off, or someone is, let's just take both examples. Let's just take career example. If it's like career, and your colleague did something and put the blame on you and told your boss that this person did it, do not just fear or back off or whatever. Just remain honest, because you are right. So your honesty will be rewarded. Truth will be revealed. So this is the example of career situation. If it's a love situation, if your partner is putting wrong blames, or just wrong accusations, if a partner is accusing you of stuff that you haven't done, let's just say your partner is saying that you are not loyal, but you are loyal, just remain honest. Like I said, because I was getting this toxic word in the love connection, so it could be toxic because your partner is accusing you of what is not true. So you first of all, follow your inner call, leave that situation, walk away. You see how this guy is walking away from this dishonest person. So if it's a love situation, this person is walking away from this person who is putting accusations. So walk away from this person, and do not care whether people will believe this person or not. They might believe this person for some time, but eventually the truth will be revealed and your honesty will be rewarded. So just walk away from this dishonest person and forget what everyone else is saying. Your honesty will be rewarded. These three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. So that's it. That's the messages I have for you guys. So please like the video, comment if this resonated with you, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can DM me on my Instagram. You can mail me. If you want to donate to the channel, the link will be given down below, the UPI ID. So all the details that are needed will be given in the description box down below. So take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Love and light to all of you.